yellow. So what I've done here is I've mixed some paints and I purposely put extra in to show you what you can do with the excess. If you have a tray of some sort, you can pour it in there. I poured it on this lid here for my, or you can do some foil, literally anything you can pour on though. It should be able to dry, like glass, plastic, or inexpensive foil metal should be fine. So I'm just going to pour some on each one. If you're like me, you don't want to just wash it down the drain kind of thing. I think we can get a funky texture with the foil. We're going to try it. If you want to, you can mess around with it. This one we will. Just make sure you have a nice clean area for it. Prep it as much as you can, so you will get paint everywhere otherwise. I don't want to mess around with this too much, but you get the idea. I'm just gonna let these dry for a few days, and I'll come back to them. Hi. Here's after a week. I'll show you how they look. See, they're very dry. So for sure about a half week. If you want really dry, wait a week. This one dried pretty flat, so it'll be pretty good for jewelry. This one I wasn't sure if it would turn out, but I want to try with the foil. Give it a texture look. So you can take it off in sections. It's not going to be a nice clean one like the last one, but you can see the texture that's come out. So that'd be big enough for jewelry. And we'll see how the last one turned out. This one I just put on the pan to dry. So you can see it has a different kind of texture look. Just pick a corner and peel it off. So you just want to play around with the consistency and the thickness of the paint. The thicker the better. You will get some peeling kind of like this otherwise, but looks like the middle is okay. See the texture on the back. So if that's the kind of look you're going for, you can use a pan like that. Otherwise, it's pretty cool. Once you're done with these, you can store them loosely in some foil or some wax paper, clear wrap, whatever you can use. Here's some other ideas of past ones I've done. This is kind of the planetary one, Jupiter or Saturn. This one's kind of like a blue wave. If you have other ideas other than jewelry, let me know. I want to hear what you guys have done with your extra paint. Here's the pineapple one. This one's kind of a hybrid of Mod Podge and paint. So maybe we'll use that, we'll see. It's another paint drip. I think I ran out of space, so I ended up pouring on some paper. Here's for some business cards I was making. So you have plenty of options. This one I haven't decided what I'm doing yet, but it looks like a cool heart. I hope you like this week's video. Next week we will put it together with some jewelry and see how it looks. Thanks for joining me today.